everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I recreated this look. To be honest, this is not my makeup look. I did find it on Pinterest. So all of the information of the makeup artist is going to be down below. I just wanted to challenge myself, and you guys know I'm supposed to do more colorful look. Honestly, I was just wanted to challenge myself and see if I could do something like that because I never tried before, and it came out almost exactly the same as hers, and I'm so proud of myself. I didn't know I had it in me to do that. Anyways, let's just focus. I didn't use exactly the same shadows because I'm not the same skin tone as her, so like the crease color is more intense on me, so I did use something that's more intense compared to the shadow that she used. But for this, it's basically the same thing, honestly. I'm gonna try to insert a picture somewhere here so you guys can see the look basically, but it's this. Yeah, so as colorful looks, I don't know, you guys know I'm supposed to do more colorful looks this year because it's one of my goals for 2019. I'm just gonna do one colorful look a month. First of all, because I'm on a no buy until I don't know when, so I'm trying to like figure out what I have and like try to make looks with that. And second of all, because I'm not used to that. I'm not used to making colorful looks, so it's pretty hard for me to like come up with. So anyways, before we get into how I created this look, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you guys want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So first what you want to do is put on some tapes just so we have a sharp edge when we put the eyeshadows. So the first palette we're going to use the Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette, and I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm just going to take that orangey color to put in the crease. It's just so we have like a shadow as a base, so that every other shadow we're going to use is going to be really smooth and really easy to work with. So you just want to make sure everything is well blended also, because even if it's pretty pale on me, it's still, you can still see it. So just make sure it's well blended. Next, I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm going to work deeper in the crease. I'm going to take that really orange color next to the other shadow we had before, so I'm really gonna work it in the crease. That's why I took a blending brush that was smaller so we could really get in there. That part is like the most important part because you want to make sure it's really well blended without being too faded. So you want to first blend it in the crease really well. And next, what I'm doing is like working on the outer corner. And here I just took like a really pale color and I just added it on the edge just to make sure everything was well blended. And here I'm just packing on the orange color just to make sure it's really noticeable and everything looks good together. So you really want to pack it on. So to cut the crease, I just took my Better Skin concealer and I'm gonna cut the crease with an eyeshadow brush, a really like stiff eyeshadow brush, just so we can work really well with it. So the trick I found is that, well, where you want to create your crease, it's really up, depends on your eye. So me, I go like wherever it just folds. You don't want to go too high because it just create your eyes, makes it more like round, and me, I want it to be more like oval, so I go a little bit lower when I do a crease, a cut crease, sorry. And you just want to make sure that both eyes are pretty similar so that after when you use the other shadows, your makeup looks gonna look good. So for the main attraction, I'm taking my Prism palette by Anastasia, and I'm taking a eyeshadow brush and I'm taking the color Sphere to put all over the lid, basically all over where we put a cut crease right before. So you really want to pack it on. This color, it's not that it's hard to work with, but you want to make sure it shows through the color, so you really want to pack it on as much as you can. The first brush I used I didn't like, so I took a smudger brush which is more compact to pack on the color, and as you can see it's like more intense, so that's why I like this one better, and I ended up using this one instead.
And for the inner corner, I just took a pencil brush. Honestly, it creates a lot of fallout, so you just want to be careful, but you just have to wipe it off and everything is fine. So for the outer corner, I used the color Throne, and I took another eyeshadow brush. So you just want to pack it on the outer corner. It's really up to you where you want to bring it. I brought it up until like my pupil of my eye, just to create the look. That's how I wanted it on my eye. So you just want to pack it on the outer corner. Use your fingers, you have to. It packs on the color even better than just the brush. And just want to make sure that in between the orange and the green, it's well blended. So you want to do the same thing with the other eye. Pack it on the outer corner. And make sure the outer corner is well blended. So here I'm just blending the green and the yellow together. What I do, I just tilt my brush and I just do like zigzag motions, and it just blends by itself. It's like really, it takes a few seconds. It's really easy. And here I'm just making sure everything is well blended with my crease brush. So I chose to put eyeliner as well, like the picture. Me, I do a really thin eyeliner. You can do it however you want. She did a bigger eyeliner. I thought I would do just a smaller one because I'm just more, it's just easier for me. And here's the time where you can just take off the tape and see what you accomplished. And then I'm going to take an angle brush. I'm going to take that crease color that we put before in the lower lash line. So you really want to pack it on. It doesn't have to be super intense, but you want it to be like pretty intense so you can see it. So first you want to pack it on, and then here I'm just blending everything together so it doesn't look too harsh. I didn't add anything in the brush. I'm just blending right now. For mascara, I'm using the Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal. I'm just putting mascara on my top and lower lashes. I'm not putting too much mascara because you guys know I'm gonna put false lashes on. So for my false lashes, I'm using the Kiss number 11 lashes, and yeah, just want to make sure they're well on there. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is what it looks like.
That's it, you guys. This is how I did the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's pretty forward. My base was already done, so I just focused on the eyes. Just let me know in the comments if you guys mind that I created a look of someone else, and just let me know down below if you guys like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.